Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am back today with this very soft coral look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this entire look, then make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm priming again with the P. Louise Space in the number 0.5. And then I'm taking the Nubian 3 Coral Palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the coral shade down here in the bottom, and I'm packing that all over my lid using the E17 brush from Morphe. So I'm just packing the color on right now. I'm not really too concerned with the blending it. Okay, I'm taking my Fearless Faces lashes. I'm applying those with my duo lash glue. Before I do that, I'm gonna apply my mascara, but I just always go ahead and like put my glue on my lash so it can begin tacky. So for primer, I have used this before. As you can tell, it looks a little beat up. Okay, yeah, it looks a little beat up, but I don't use it often. So I'm gonna use this for my forehead and like my cheeks because I kind of get oily in those areas. I'm gonna take the Nyx Pore Filler for the rest of my face. So I'm either gonna use this one from MAC, and this is a shade NC45, and then from Anastasia I'm a shade 440C. I think I'm gonna do this one. So even though I'm like trying this, a lot of people were saying like this gives them like the Maybelline Fit Me type of vibe, and it does because of the bottle. But I have a habit of like smelling my products, and a lot of these products do smell the same. So anybody that's new, I completely avoid foundation in like my temple areas, like really it's just from here to here because it goes gray there for some reason. So I just contour there instead, and it looks the same. Okay, so I don't really have any new concealers. I have these ones from Shape Tape. I have these from Tarte that I haven't really used, but that's because they're not really my color. I mean, I have more of a rosy undertone, so this one might do it, but this one, I don't know, it looked gray on me, so I'm not gonna use, definitely not gonna use that. But I also have, this one is the only one I have that's new, from Beauty Bakery. And I don't know, this one looks like it's my skin tone. I'll try this one first, but I usually go for the one by Kylie Jenner because I know it's just like the it's the perfect shade for me as far as highlighting. But I'm gonna try this one just because I've never used it. And actually, before I do that though, I'm gonna contour. I don't have another contour stick, so I'm just gonna use the one I usually use from Black Opal. I'm actually gonna add some of my Kylie Jenner concealer on top just to brighten it up, because this is definitely my skin tone. So the Beauty Bakery powder is like, concealer is like really full coverage. You know what that means? Then I have to go buy one in my actual highlight shade. So since I used the Beauty Bakery concealer, I'm gonna use the setting powder as well in the shade Plantain. The bronze, I usually use my Fenty bronzer, but today I'm going to use the one from Makeup Revolution. Let me wipe my fingerprint. My fingerprint's all over this. I'm sorry. So yeah, this one from Makeup Revolution, and this one is in the shade Medium. Okay, I'm using the exact same setting powder to just trace underneath my contour. So I kind of want to do black in my waterline, but I'm not, because I don't want that to take away from the soft look. So I'm going to take the exact same color. And I'm using the M506. I'm going to smoke that out in my waterline. By the way, I didn't show you guys earlier, but I used my foundation brush, the Instapop cheek brush, to dust my powder away. So I don't have any new highlighters. I haven't bought any highlighters in a good little minute. I actually don't even know what color I want to do today. I'm thinking something more like on the bronzy side. Oh. Yeah, so this one is from the crayon case. This one is from the crayon case. I don't really use it often, but this is what it looks like. Do y'all think that color? Yeah, my thing is mirrored, so if y'all see me go this way but I'm supposed to be right here, then don't judge me. The highlighter just made me want to add some bronze glitter underneath my lashes, so I'm going to add a very tiny bit, not a lot, because it's still a soft look. Of course, you don't have to add the glitter if you don't want to. I'm sorry, I just slapped the mic. An angled brush, and I just apply the glitter like underneath my lashes. And then I'm using this brush. I don't even know what this is, but a brush like this, and I just dip a little bit into my glue, a very tiny bit, and then I dip into my glitter, and I just go right into it. I added a little bit of Kiss Kiss from Morphe. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys did enjoy today's look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.